So we'll give for the script name web tour underscore, and we are giving for the flight booking and underscore. We need to give for the date of the today 12/07, and I'm clicking for the create button. Same way only, but I will show for the after that what are the things we need to do. I will explain. No, means mostly we are finished for our scripting. We have some small things will be there. I will explain those also, but we are mostly finished our scripting.
Before settings, please one.
Sorry.
Before settings, one more. That's not recording before setting.
Yeah. So we need to click the record button and recording options. Now you need to every time will be your recording means you need to keep this generate web break find function. Okay, and click on OK. Now you need to record the script, start recording, and you need to select a browser and same URL and click on start recording, click on OK. So this is the automatically invoked launch. So you need to give for the start transaction name. So how you need to give start names also, we need to give properly. Web to underscore flight booking underscore what we are doing. What we are doing? Login. This is the which transaction? First one, second one.
First transaction.
Second, right? Launch already first is there. This is the second transaction. That is why you need to give for the transaction name is the T02.
T2.
Means you need to write the syntax like this. So click on this, and now you can perform for the Jojo and Bean and click on login. And now it is the transaction is completed. You can end the transaction. Then again you need to give for the transaction name. So this is the what transaction? Click on
Login. Find flights.
flights.
Click flights.
Click on flights. Transaction name 203.
203.
See, click on flights. So you should wait for the until page will loaded. Then only can end the transaction. See, now you can click on end the transaction. Again, you can do for the transaction name. Find flight.
Find flight.
Underscore T04, right? T04. Then you can perform this. I'm selecting Windows, I'm selecting business and continue. So this is also same transaction. That is why I'm not changing find flight only. So click on continue and see payment. This is the transaction is completed. Now we are doing for the payment. So you need to give
Payment details.
Payment details. T04 or 5.
5.
Click on OK. And now we can give it as a names. PHP H5 credit card number, expiry date of the credit card. Click on continue. See, so transaction is completed. You need to end.
Yes.
Now, what is the last transaction?
Sign off.
Sign off. So we need to give for the sign off. T06, right?
Yes.
See,
End the transaction.
end the transaction. Now you need to stop recording. So now go to the okay. Now script is recorded. You can observe everything is script is recorded with the proper names I given web2 underscore flight booking login. Because see, if you are not given these things, then if it is a new for the client, he don't know which application you done. So in login means which application you done login, we don't know. It is a Paytm, maybe it is a another application or anything we don't know. That is why when you are giving for the transaction names also, you need to give for the proper name, like application name and what is your scenario, and after that what is the transaction name and what is the which transaction, it is a T01 or T02, you need to give. Got it, right? So now
Yes.
we missed the transaction launch, right? You need to give for the transaction name is a launch. So, launch underscore T01. So what are the
Yeah.
transaction we are given, and also we need to give for the same transaction name here ending for the year. I'm giving for the end transaction name. See now I recorded. You can observe here web break find automatically is generated or not.
Generated.
See, everywhere it will be automatically generated. So login also it is generated, and click on flight it is generated, and after that payment it is generated. The reservation page it is generated, and the payment page it is generated. See, everywhere it is came or not.
Yes.
So now we can execute. Obviously, your script will be failed because you are not done without done the correlation. Your script will be failed because this time you keep the text verification point. So the text will be not there. It obviously it will fail. See, it is a failed, and you are getting for the error, right? What is that error? Output window. So in output window, you can see errors also very important. See what error you are getting also. You need to see error text is equal web tour not found in the web break find function. Means what is the text you are passing? See, you can observe what is the text you are passing, web tours. So this text will be unable to finding for the that page. So that is why it is throwing an error. Means in this page, your page is not going to validating for the means you need to do for the correlation. Okay, otherwise we can write for the save count, then automatically it will not throw an error, but it will showing for the count is equal to 0. So like this you need to record, and after that you can do for the correlation, parameterization, everything you need to do. So you can do for the entire script in correlation, parameterization, everything is completed. Your scripting fully completed. So I will explain one more way. So maybe we have the some auto correlation also will be there. So how to we can do auto correlation, I will explain now. See now how we find the dynamic value, right? This is the dynamic value. You need to find the dynamic value, and after that you can select this and click on right button, and you need to go to the correlation selection. Everyone will see correlate selection. Everyone able to see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can click
Yes.
on correlate selection and it will display for this correlation selection. It is displayed or not?
Yes.
Value, and this is the parameter name. Now you can click on details here. So for here, type will be means you have the different type of there boundary based, regular expression based will be there. So you need to select for the boundary based. See, automatically boundaries will be picked. It's picked or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So, but you want to give for the proper means you can give for the proper also. If you give edit also possible here. Like what we are giving actually, we are we no need try, right? We are giving for only for up to this only we are giving. Okay, and after that you can apply. So now click on correlate button. You need to select for the boundary based and click on correlate button. The automatically correlation will happen. It's done. Now you can go to the script. See, it is a correlation is a completed or not, but function will be changed. So web break separum ex means this is also one of the correlation argument. What is that? Web break separum ex. And what is happening here? We are giving for the web break separum direct parameter name, but here it is we need to give for the parameter name is equal to user section, comma, everything will be double colon, LB and RB and search filter and scope is equal to body, request URL and last. So it is generating and automatically replace also it is happen. You can observe. So next you need to do for the departure city, right? Just select this and click on right button and replace with parameter. Sorry, correlate selection. Correlate selection. After that, you need to click on, don't click correlate again. You can click on details and you need to select for the, if it is a boundary based or regular expression based.
Boundary based.
So regular
Boundary based.
expression, I explain. Now I am selecting for the boundary based. And you can observe it is coming for the Los Angeles also, it is showing for the.
Dynamic value.
So you need to remove this one because that is the dynamic value, right? Don't take that one. See, you can observe this is the dynamic value. So is considered as a, this is the dynamic value. Means then what will happen? So you can consider this value means is taken for the, this is the left boundary up to colon and this one. Maybe it's right boundary means this is the right boundary, this is the left. So maybe you can consider this is the left, this is the right. So same way here also it is picked. Then you can apply and click on correlate button. So now you can go there and it automatic. Now no need to find the way to write the function also. Everything there is written. See web break save param ex and parameter name LB and RB and ordinal. Ordinal nothing but it is automatically it is picking for the value. So if you give for the ordinal is equal to 3 means it is a 3 value only it is pick because it is Los Angeles value will be 3. Maybe if you want all means you can give for the all also, no problem. Okay, search filter scope. Search already I told, right? Search in web break save param function, but here it is scope is equal to body or header. So like this we can do for the auto correlation. Now I will do for the one more and I will stop class. So you can observe departure here also same value will be there. I think that is why it is captured departure name. We need to original value, replace it to original value. I will giving for the some Denver here.
All times this process applies, sir.
All time, sorry.
So this correlation process all times can apply. Only this
Anytime.
previous.
Yeah. See, that is a depends on the company. Maybe they will accept for the auto correlation, then no problem. So they told us you need to do for the manual correlation, you can do for the manual correlation.
Previous process and this process, two are same.
Yeah, two are same because see, you are selecting for the through boundary, right?
Yes.
And the same too, you are selecting for the boundaries, and if these boundaries are correct or also good, you are verifying.
Yes.
You need to carefully verify, and because here it is showing the dynamic value. This is the dynamic value left boundary, what you know, right boundary, what you know. Same will be
Yes.
there, not there, you need to verify. Then after that, if it is the same, then good. If it is not, then you can remove and you can apply and click on correlate button.
Okay.
See, now review also is completed. Then like this, you can do for the any of the value you can do. Outbound flight also we can do. Replace correlate selection and details. And you can observe here very big values came, but our point of view only this is enough, right? Blue sky. And at the same time not selected boundary base. See this is the dynamic value, so I am removing this and you can apply and correlate. See, now I will execute. This time the script will be not failed because the text will be there, means you are going to the particular page. Response, a valid page you are going. So your script will be passed. Now we can observe we didn't get any errors. Got it, everyone? So how you done correlation, same way replacement also happen, and everything will be it will came output window. I think runtime settings. The logs, external logs, standard logs. Again execute. Now you can observe all values will be captured. See, user section is captured properly, and it is replaced also. Submission parameter substitution also happened, and after that you done for the departure, you are given all, so it is displayed all, and arrive you are given Denver. Okay, it is a Denver captured, and outbound flight value it is captured, and outbound flight value is submitted. So this is way also we can do for the auto correlation. Got it? Got it, right, everyone? So how we done, same way you also do for the practice point of view. You can do for the, now you need to understand, right, function. You need to write this function manually also you can write. Web break separum ex, and after that parameter name, and we need to give for the LB and RB and search filter and scope, and you need to go for the last. So you can observe here, you can go to the view and you can click for the step toolbox will be there. This is the steps toolbox. So which function you want, you need to search that function, web underscore reg underscore save. See, it is the ex function, means you can click on this and it will ask for the parameter name. So you are giving, so where you are click for the cursor, it will be there in this place, it will be replaced. You see, I am giving for the parameter name user session and LB randomly I'm giving, just your understanding point of only. If you want to give for the ordinal means you can give for the ordinal also, and save offset means you can give for the save offset, save length also, and click on OK. See, automatically function will be generated. See, web break say param ex and parameter name LB RB search filter last. Okay, you can do for the this way also you can do. You can copy the dynamic value in our notepad and you can click on this and you need to give for the boundaries here and click on OK. Automatically the function will be generated. Where you want write, you need to first click on this. If you need to write here means you can click this and you need to click on this. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So almost we are completed our scripting. Okay, everything will be your hand only. So you need to practice well, and we'll meet for the tomorrow. Mostly I'm finished for the scripting part, and I will search for if anything miss, I will do for the tomorrow. And so everyone will practice with the script good manner. Like how we done, right? You need to record properly with the transaction names. Okay. And after that, you need to do for the each value correlation. So you can try manually. Who are good manually, then you can try with the auto correlation. Who are not good in manually, you need to practice first will be manually. Then you will go to the auto correlation, because auto correlation everyone can do it easily. But manual correlation only good. Then because sometimes some companies not accept for the auto correlation. So that is why you can do for the manual. Okay. And one more, I think I miss one more. We have the function will be there. Regular expression also. That is also correlation function. We'll do any one or any other. Okay. Seed preference there, right? I'm selecting this. Click on this and correlate selection and details. See, I'm selecting for the boundary based there and regular expression. This time I will select for the regular expression. So now you can observe a regular expression. So this is the boundary, left boundary equal to. It is taken up to equal to, right? And after that you can observe the dynamic value place is taken for the bracket and dot star question mark, and after that you took for the one more boundary, right boundary. Means for example, I will show you in notepad, then you can easily understand. So this is the dynamic value and copy. So I'm copying this. So this is the dynamic value, control V. So now you need to write for the regular expression, means reg exp is equal. So how we are given LB RB, same way here also we need to give. You need to take for the up to this LB and copy. And after that you need to give for the bracket open, dash, star, question mark, and close the bracket. And after that you need to give for the, if it's a right how you can give, if you don't have also no problem for this point of view. So you need to give for the like this for the regular expression. So for this dot star question mark, what it indicate means in this place it will be there numeric or alphanumeric or special character, anything will be there, you need to capture. It is a dynamically changing for anything is alphanumeric or a character, anything automatically change. So that is point of view we are giving for the dot star question mark. Got it, everyone? So now we can go to the script, and now we'll do for the regular expression. Then you know for the how this function is generating. So I done regular expression. See, this is the function web break say param reg exp and parameter name is equal to what is the parameter name? Parameter name. See, after that, regular expression equal to name, seed preference value is equal to, after that you can observe dynamic value place, it is came for the dash star question mark. And after that, this is the ordinal 2, it's pick for the ordinal 2, and scope and ignore and request these things. Everything will be same only. Only we are giving for the LB equal to, but here regular expression is equal to, we are giving for the some expressions like if it's dash star question mark means it is changing for the alphanumeric or auto, maybe it automatically pick the value. So now how many functions we know in correlation? Hello?
Manual correlation.
Functions I'm asking. What are the functions we observed as of now?
Ordinal, same length, same offset to next to
Naresh,
zero.
those are will be arguments. I'm asking about function. What are the correlation functions you have observed?
To
See, Webrek
Regular-
separum 1,
regular
Webrek
expression.
separum ex1, Webrek separum reg exp1. These are the functions. See, in the arguments means parameter name, regular expression, ordinal, scope, and save length. This all will be coming to the arguments. So now we know for the Webrek separum and Webrek separum ex, Webrek separum reg exp. Okay, you need to also practice and yourself, and you need to identify the what is difference between Webrek separum to Webrek separum ex. Webrek separum ex to what is the difference between the Webrek separum reg exp. You need to identify, you can do it and you can practice well. So anyone have any doubts? Naresh, Nagaraj,
no, sir.
no, na? We are good, right? So thank you for joining. We'll meet for the tomorrow same time. And so my side is the scripting is completed mostly, but you need to practice yourself. And tomorrow I will take for the only class, means I don't tell any class, just everyone will be record the script, and in front of me you need to do for the any one of the value correlation. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for joining. We'll meet for tomorrow.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.